Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to extract the data from the text file to Excel workbook by using VBA macros. As part of this process, first I created a folder on my desktop, and in that folder I placed this text file along with the coding workbook. Now I am going to extract the data from the text file to Excel workbook. Click on Import from Text File button. Select the text file which is named as sales. Click on Open. Right now, user form displayed on screen. In that user form, we can find the combo box. Click on the drop down. This combo box consists of three options. First one is entire data, second one is manual selection, and third one is regular expression. Right now I am selecting entire data. Now application imported entire data from the text file to Excel workbook. Upon completion of the process, it returns the message box as confirmation. Click on OK. Again click on Import from Text File button. Select the text file. Click on Open. From the available options, right now I am selecting manual selection. Here we can find two list boxes. First one consists of columns count. As text file consists of 4 columns, application returned 4 numbers here. So I want to import first column, third column and fourth column's data. Thereafter I am selecting the required rows. Here I am selecting apple, orange, mango, citrus. Upon completion of the selection, click on Import Data. Click on OK. Here we can find application imported the data from the text file to Excel workbook. Again click on Import button. Select the sales text file. This time I am going to import the data by using regular expression. In this list box we can find the column numbers. Right now I am selecting first column. Means I am going to apply the regular expression on the first column. In this text box, I am entering the regular expression. I am extracting the data which ends with E. Hit the enter button or click on this list box. Now application filter the data based on regular expression. Here we can find 3 rows: apple, orange and pomegranate. From the filtered rows, I am selecting orange and pomegranate. After completion of the selection, click on Import Data. Now application imported the selected rows. Click on OK. In this way, we can import the data from the text file to Excel workbook in 3 different ways. Now let us cross check the coding part. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Open the module. Here I defined 3 public variables for output workbook, text workbook and for worksheet. First I am defining the output workbook. Here you can find set output workbook equivalent to active workbook, which is coding workbook. Thereafter, here I am providing some visible properties to the user form. Next I am selecting the text file. Here we can find the function select text file. Here I am using getOpenFileName method of application object. By using this method, I am selecting the text file which is named as sales. Upon completion of the selection, I am saving the path in the variable of file name. Next, I am opening the text file by using openText method of workbooks object. Here I am providing the path for the text file. Thereafter, I am mentioning the start row. Here I am providing the data type, which is followed by delimiter. Here I am considering comma as delimited. Next, I am defining the text workbook. Set text workbook equivalent to active workbook. Thereafter, in the text workbook, I am considering active worksheet against the variable of sh. Next, displaying the user form on the screen. Here I am using initialize event of user form. This event is useful to display the user form with all the required changes. Here I am defining width and height of the text file. Next, I am adding the data to the combo box, entire data, manual selection and regular expression. After selecting the required option, application executes change event of combo box. In this event, first it deletes the entire content in the active sheet. Here we can find three options. If combo box 1.value equivalent to entire data, then application executes this piece of code. If the user selects manual selection, then application executes this piece of code. If the user selects the regular expression, then application executes this piece of code. In this way, we can extract the data from the text file to Excel workbook. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.